Mars, the red planet, the fourth rock from the Sun, smaller than Earth, yet full of mysteries that make scientists scratch their heads. Today, we're exploring 10 strange and mind-blowing facts about Mars that will leave you amazed and maybe a little unsettled. Fact number 1. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system, towering at a staggering 22 kilometers high. That's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Its base spreads as wide as France. Imagine standing at the foot of this colossal giant Earth as mountains would feel like tiny bumps on a hiking trail. Fact number 2. Mars also boasts the longest canyon, Valles Marineris, stretching over 4,000 kilometers. That's longer than the entire width of the United States. And at some points, it plunges 7 kilometers deep. Fact number 3. Mars can snow, but not like we know. The planet experiences carbon dioxide snow. That's right, dry ice flakes drifting from the sky. You wouldn't get wet, but you definitely feel the chill of a truly alien winter. Fact number 4. Blue sunsets on Mars. Dust in the thin atmosphere scatters sunlight differently than on Earth. So instead of red and orange, Martian sunsets glow a haunting blue. Perfect for a cosmic Instagram, if humans ever get there. Fact number 5. Gigantic dust devils. Some rise over 20 kilometers high, lasting for hours. These aren't your backyard tornadoes, they're monstrous. Slow-motion spirals sweeping tiny particles across the Martian plains. Fact number 6. Mars isn't totally quieted as Marsquakes. NASA's InSight lander detected vibrations from below, revealing that the planet is geologically alive, though gently compared to Earth. Think of it as Mars quietly murmuring secrets from beneath its surface. Fact number 7. Liquid water exists, but only as salty brines. Salts lower the freezing point just enough for water to briefly stay liquid. It's a small chance, but wherever there's water, there might just be life hiding in the shadows. Fact number 8. Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos, are tiny, speedy, and weird. Phobos rises in the west and sets in the east because it orbits so fast. Phobos is on a collision course with Mars. It's nearing Mars at a rate of 6 feet 1.8 meters every 100 years. At that rate, the moon will either crash into Mars in 50 million years or break up into a ring. Fact number 9. Mars gravity is just 38% of Earth's. That means a 100-kilogram astronaut weighs only 38 kilograms there. Jumping would feel like flying hello, low-gravity parkour. And fact number 10. Mars has Earth-like seasons, but each lasts almost 6 Earth months. Winters are freezing, summers are dusty, and the planet constantly changes in ways that would make even a meteorologist dizzy. So there, you have it, 10 strange and amazing facts about Mars. Towering volcanoes, blue sunsets, gigantic dust devils, and salty water that might hide life. Mars isn't just a red dot in the sky, it's a mysterious world, waiting for us to explore. Who knows? One day, humans might even call it home. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the red planet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more space wonders. We'll see you in the next video.